Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ulat ke jela utat hagata roy haka kandre trek mentau benari saw arah ka kendai. Ula play pajba ya ka 11 East Himalayan Trade Fair 2019 ke balalong ha SRGT parking lot area Polo Ground Shillong. Kani kayo tamasa ke balapelong daga India Trade Promotion Organisation jang sarkar India ringkat ke jintrelang bat ke Commerce and Industries Department jang sarkar Meghalaya. Kalong man penpau perthai ya kitiar kitar balasna da kiken hon baper na kadong shatnai lamingi jong kani gari India. Ulat ke jelah bakren kumukongsan hakani kesngi. Ulaong bakani kayo tamasa ke kentiu ya kayo kokot jang kipat ba. Ke jelah bat kumjuru kan penurlong ya ke Act East Policy jong sarkar India ke balap haikmat ban kentiu ya katahan chatai lamingi. Hakani kayo kidan nyop tli kiken hon MSME unit ki badai na ki jela baper jong ni katahan chatai lamingi ki balawan bande ki jingbam ki tiar snakti bat ki wei de ki tiar balasna ki ken hon ya trelang bat ki wei ki ken hon.
This edition of the fair has tremendous possibilities in view of the present scenario, especially when India is emerging as a global power under the dynamic leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi. Remarkably, this annual effort of the ITPO and the state government is crucial as there is a focus of the government on the Act East policy and connecting the region with ASEAN countries as envisioned by the Honorable Prime Minister. The East Himalayan Trade Fair 2019 at Shillong has great significance, as you are aware. Tucked away in the hills of eastern sub-Himalayas, that is, Meghalaya is considered one of the most beautiful states in the country. Apart from its huge business potential, Meghalaya is also considered as one of the most favored eco-tourist destinations. The state is blessed with abundant rainfall, sunshine, dense forests, high plateaus, tumbling waterfalls, crystal clear rivers, meandering streamlets, and above all, sturdy and hospitable people. I compliment the ITPO for holding the fair here in Shillong, as I believe that the event would attract a number of buyers and visitors beyond Meghalaya, even from Gwalpara, Kamrup and Nagaon districts, Karbi Anglong and Kachar hills of Assam and Bangladesh. I am happy to note that this year 120 leading companies representing the Ministry of Ayush, the Government of Jharkhand, MSME and NSIC are taking part in the event. I was told that ITPO is carrying forward its project of world-class integrated exhibition cum convention center, that is IECC, at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. As it will open new horizons in the global exhibition and convention industry, as well as for the showcasing and promoting of the Northeast region, will with full strength in near future. On this occasion, I convey my heartiest greetings for the festive season and for the fair to all participants and captains of Northeast industry, as well as neighboring states who have converged here to showcase their technologies, handicrafts, handlooms, brands, creative design and brand items.